with your questions and make sure that you stick to the questions of Stree 2. Alright? So who's the first one?
Yes sir, कैमरा राजो।
स्त्री के पहले सत्र में शूटिंग के दौरान आपने भूतों का अनुभव किया था, आपने ही कहा था।
जी, भूतों थे कि भूत थे पता नहीं।
ओके। तो इस सत्र में यानी सीजन 2 में कोई ऐसा अनुभव बताएं?
नहीं, लकीली पार्ट 2 में ऐसा कोई अनुभव नहीं हुआ, लेकिन पार्ट 2 का जो थ्रेट है ना, हमारा जो विलन है, जो भूत है सर कटा, उसको जब आप देखेंगे तो उसको देख के वैसे ही आपको डर लग जाएगा। जब वो सेट पे भी आए थे, ही इज अ वेरी स्वीट गाय अदरवाइज, पर जब वो एक्ट कर रहे होते थे तो हमको जेन्युइनली बहुत डर लगता था उनसे। वो कास्टिंग इतनी परफेक्ट कास्टिंग है ना, पिच परफेक्ट कास्टिंग है वो सर कटा की।
श्रद्धा से मेरे एक सवाल है। श्रद्धा,
सवाल पूछने से पहले, आई एम सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, आप कोलकाता में आए, आप इनको खड़े खड़े सवाल जवाब करेंगे तो ना बैठा देते हैं।
नहीं, हम आपके बिना नहीं बैठेंगे।
नहीं, आप
चेयर वेटिंग फॉर वन मोर चेयर, वेरी कंफर्टेबल।
ऑलराइट, यस। हाँ जी।
हाँ श्रद्धा, आपकी एक फिल्म आई थी तू झूठी मैं मक्कार, 1.5 साल पहले, यानी पिछले साल मार्च में रिलीज हुई थी, और ये जो फिल्म आ रही है अभी अगस्त में 1.5 साल बाद, तो फिल्मों को लेकर आप काफी चूजी है, किस तरह का अन्वेषण आप करती हैं?
केमन आचो और ग्रेट, मैं भी, और एक्चुअली बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने, मैं हूँ बहुत चूजी हूँ, बहुत पिकी हूँ, और जो काम मुझे करना है वो बहुत ही सोच के करना है, जो किरदार निभाने हैं, जिन फिल्मों का हिस्सा बनना है, मुझे बहुत मेहनत लगती है जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हो तो और मुझे मतलब बहुत ज्यादा प्यार है with what I do, so that's why I'm very picky about what I am doing, and that's why I get to do the best kind of films like Stree 2. Sorry? अरे बहुत सारे लम्हे हैं, बहुत सारे मेमोरीज है। स्त्री 2, स्त्री एक्चुअली पहली वाली में भी हमने इतना धमाल किया सेट पे, क्योंकि मजेदार फिल्म है, माहौल ही वैसा था सेट पर, तो सेम वैसे ही हमने इस फिल्म में भी किया। और नरेशन के बारे में ये मैंने शेयर भी किया कि जब नरेशन के वक्त पिक्चर आपको अच्छी लगती है ना, मैं तो हंस हंस के पागल हो गई थी, तो उतना ही मजा आता है सेट पे भी, तो वैसा ही हुआ स्त्री 2 के सेट पे भी, बहुत मजे किए हमने।
Welcome to Kolkata firstly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. So my question is, Stree brilliantly combines horror, comedy, and it's also social satire. So how does Stree 2 manage to balance these elements, making it different every actor, especially since sequels can be very challenging?
You're absolutely right. Sequels can definitely be very challenging. And that's the reason we took 6 years to come back with Stree, because we were waiting for the right story, the right screenplay. Because we never wanted to just make another part for the heck of it, just because part 1 worked. A lot of people do that. Part 1 works, so suddenly just immediately make another one because you want to cash on the success of the first one. Amar, our director, genius guy that he is, a writer, Naren, they were constantly thinking about the idea of what to make out of it for the sequel. And what I love about this sequel is it's a true blue sequel. It exactly starts from where Stree 1 ended, from that last shot of Stree standing in front of the statue. It exactly starts from there. So I think the world is similar. Of course, the fun has been multiplied by 10 times. The horror is there, and as you said, the social satire, that is also there. So it's a true blue sequel. You won't miss anything. You'll only enjoy way more than what you enjoyed in part 1.
मेरा एक सवाल है, आप दोनों से एक ही सवाल है, आप लोग आपका सक्सेस और फेलियर कैसे हैंडल करते हैं, मोटिवेशन क्या रहता है?
To be honest, I think for me, my box office performance is not the only validation for me for success. This year has been very lucky, very beautiful in terms of career. Like Shrikant worked very well, Mahi did well, Stree 2 looks like it's going to do phenomenally well. But for me, when I'm happy doing something, when I'm satisfied as a creative person, when I go back home after a day's work and I feel mentally and emotionally drained, that I did something meaningful today, that is my success. When I'm a part of something which is going to be remembered for a very long time, that is my success. When I get to do something which my heart says yes to, so for me that is success. When it becomes successful at the box office, that's a byproduct for me. But for me, success is contributing every day to my art form, and exploring myself in different characters and growing as an artist. Everything that is successful. And failure, of course, as I said, when you do something which you love, you don't worry about failures, because failure, of course, teaches you also a lot. So learn from your mistakes and move on. Don't get stuck to it.
I feel, I actually feel failure is a very important part of success. Failure is a stepping stone towards success, and it's a very personal thing also. What constitutes to be failure for someone, or what constitutes to be success for someone. So for me, I feel like, firstly, I feel extremely grateful every single day to be able to do what I do, which is entertain people, and especially because it's been my childhood dream, and to get all the opportunities that I get. That in itself, to get opportunities, is successful, because when you see how many people are trying to come and get that one opportunity. So I would say that I don't take success to my head or failure to my heart. I think what I really like to focus on more than success or failure is being true to who I am as a person, and the decisions that I want to make, and the kind of experiences that I want to have as an actor, as a human being in this creative journey.